Hi, welcome to Mariel Beads and Beyond. Today I'm gonna show you how to make this really easy bracelet, but it's really pretty. It turned out great. I like it a lot. I'm going to have the kit available at MarielBeadsandBeyond.com. I'm going to make it another color. I'm still choosing the colors, but they're gonna be posted at MarielBeadsandBeyond.com. Also, you can buy the materials in different colors. I have different colors of pearl, Bicones, Superduos, 15 O's, so you can choose your own combination. Also, I have this clasp available. These are the ones I use for this bracelet. It's really simple, but it really stands out a lot. I am very happy with the result, so I hope you guys like it. I'm gonna post the list of materials in the description box. For a bracelet size 7, you're gonna need 28 Superduos. For a size 6, you're gonna need 24. I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. Let's get started. You are going to thread your needle. You are going to pick up a random bead that is not going to be part of your work, and you are going to sew through the bead. You are going to bring it down. You want to leave 6 to 8 inches tail to add your clasp at the end, and you are going to sew through the same bead to secure the bead. We are going to pick up one O bead, one 4mm pearl, one OV, one Superduo, and 3 15 O's. You are going to bring them down. You are going to reverse direction, and you're gonna sew through the open hole of the Superduo. You are going to pick up one O bead, one 4mm pearl, one O bead, one Superduo, and 3 15 O's. Bring them down, and you are going to reverse direction and sew through the open hole of the Superduo. And you are going to continue this step until you get the length for your bracelet. I have the length that I need for my bracelet. For the next step, you are going to pick up one OB, one pearl, one OB, one 15 O, one 4mm bicone, and one 15 O. Your thread is exiting from the Superduo. We are going to sew through the OB, through the pearl, through the OB, through the Superduo. We are going to sew through the 3 15ths, through the Superduo, through the OB, through the pearl, and through the OB. And we are going to pull. You are going to pick up 4 15ths. You are going to sew through the clasp loop, and you are going to pick up 4 more 15ths. And you are going to sew in a reverse direction through the OB, the pearl, and the OB. You are going to pick up 4 15ths. You are going to sew through the clasp loop, pick up 4 15ths, and sew in a reverse direction through the O bead, the pearl, and the O bead. and you are going to reinforce. Reinforce 2 or 3 more times and I'll be right back to show you the next step. I am done reinforcing. For the last step, you are going to sew through the 15, the bicone, and the 15. You are going to sew through the O-bead, the pearl, and the O-bead. You are going to pick up 115, 1 bicone, and 115. You are going to sew through the O-bead, the pearl, the O-bead, the Superduos. You are going to sew through the 3 15-ohs, back through the Superduos, through the O-bead, the pearl, the O-bead, the 15, the bicone, the 15, the O-bead, the pearl, and the O-bead. And you are going to continue repeating this step throughout the row. 15-oh, bicone, 15-oh. Once you get to the other side, right here, after you add your bicone, you're going to remove your bead stop. You can add the other side of your clasp and you'll be done with your beautiful bracelet. Finish your bracelet and I'll be right back to show you mine. I'm done with my bracelet. I hope it was easy to follow along. If you like my videos, please subscribe to the channel, like my videos, and remember, there's gonna be kits available at MarielBeadsandBeyond.com.